Well, hey guys, and thank you for tuning in last night on the live show. It was definitely one of the funnest we've done so far. Being able to offer a coupon code is something we've always wanted to do. And of course, getting the opportunity to do it for the first time with a cool product like the DM-RTA, well, it was fun. However, like the first time you do anything, it doesn't always go as planned, and hey, it happens. So, for any of you guys that were having problems using the coupon code, let's do a quick how to do that. Go to audiocontrol.com, select the car icon at the top of the page. Scroll down till you see test and measure. Click on the DM-RTA. Select buy now. Now most of you have gotten this far. We'll select add to cart. What we want to do now is go ahead and click car again. Scroll down to accessories. And this is where we weren't all that clear on. AC-BT24 is what you want to get added to it for no cost. So we want to select buy now. Add to cart. View cart. And now you can see both of them are in the cart and it's showing the total if you were to buy both. But come over here to coupon code, type in 5-star, hit apply. And then that $150 that AC-BT24 cost will be removed and your new price will be reflected in the bottom. Go ahead and select that proceed to checkout. But of course, don't forget to add your microphone if you need one. Thank you guys so much for using our code, watching the show, and being some of the best fans and audience we have. You guys have a wonderful weekend as always. We'll see you again on Monday for the Facebook Live show. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Bye.